Hello everyone. Now in this video we will discuss about common source amplifier with an active load. Now what is active load? If we replace the load resistance with a MOSFET such connected that it represents or it acts like a resistor. So in this circuit I have used a PMOS with its gate connected to source. When I draw the AC circuit, AC equivalent circuit, the gate will be connected to the source of this PMOS. So the equivalent resistance will be RDS of this PMOS, a small RDS. Okay, so this is the circuit. Instead of that load resistance, I have used a PMOS with gate connected to source. So first I will check the AC or transient equivalent analysis of this circuit. For that I have taken my source as a sine wave. I have taken DC offset as 0.65 volt, amplitude of 0.1 milli and a frequency of 1000 Hz. And the transient simulation command is the stop time of 10 millisecond. So I will check the output for this. So I am getting this output. The output has a high gain corresponding to the input, and the input is, this is the input and this is the corresponding output. There. Okay. Now we have seen the output is 180 degree out of phase, and also it has a high gain. To change the gain of this amplifier, we can simply change the WL ratio of this NMOS, or change the WL ratio of that PMOS to change the gain value. Now I will go for the AC analysis of this circuit. For AC analysis, I have to change the property of source. For that, I'll put the DC value of 0.65 and an AC amplitude of 1. Now I have to edit the simulation command. I'll take decade 100 points. So I'll take 100 kilohertz. Now I'll run the circuit and check the output. See, now this is the corresponding output. To check that 3 dB frequency, the highest gain is 62 dB, 62.42 dB. So for 3 dB frequency it should be 59.2 dB. So the 3 dB frequency is 1.78 kilohertz. So as we see in the resistive load type C common source amplifier, the gain and bandwidth product is a constant. So if we increase the gain, the bandwidth will decrease, and if we decrease the gain, the bandwidth will increase for the same circuit. Now we can see that in this circuit there is a higher 3 dB cutoff frequency but no lower 3 dB frequency. This is because in the circuit I have taken the output capacitance, but there is no coupling capacitance at the input side. Thank you.